Tired of seeing frustrating error messages in Excel? The IFERROR function helps you catch and fix errors effortlessly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use IFERROR in data analysis to prevent formula failures and improve accuracy. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here in this data you can see that I have the products and next to them is the sales amount, and after this I have the units sold, and from this data I would like to calculate the prices per unit. For this purpose I have to divide these sales to the units sold. So here in this cell I will write equal, and then I will select the first cell of sale and then divide it on the units sold and hit enter. So this will calculate the price per unit for the first item, that is the laptop. To calculate the price per unit for rest of the items, I would need to bring my cursor to the bottom right corner of this first cell, and after this double click it. So here you can see that there are some cells where we are getting errors. The first error is because we are dividing a number on 0, so it will result in this error. And the next error is because we are dividing nothing on 30. So in these two cases there will be error in the final result. If we want to make our data sheet clean, we can enclose this formula using the IFERROR function to remove these errors. For this purpose, I will go to this formula bar, and here after equal I will write IFERROR and then pass this formula as value to this function, and after this I will put comma, and next is the value that I want to appear if this error occur. So in this scenario I would like to appear 0, so I will write 0, close this bracket and press enter. Now to apply it to all, again I just need to bring my cursor to bottom right corner and double click it. Notice that the error cells are replaced with the number 0. Another thing is that if I need any text instead of the number 0, then here in this formula bar, for example, I can write any text in inverted commas, for example, not applicable, and just hit enter. And to apply this formula to all, I'll just double click it. Now that you know how to handle errors like a pro using IFERROR, start applying it in your spreadsheet today. Like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Excel tutorials. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments.